Let's talk about Honzai noodles, where you yourself, along with 2 other All Blacks, you guys got punked pretty good.
Yeah,
Corey Jane, always known Corey as a bit of a prankster, so you had no idea what was going on.
Yeah, we honestly had no idea, thinking you know, it was a legit commercial for a Japanese noodle company, and we got told that all the guys from they were behind the scenes were flown over from Japan, and we were thinking to ourselves, oh, this is quite legit. So
was it pick on the rookies kind of thing? Because it was yourself, Dan Coles, Bowden Barrett,
yeah,
the green guys.
Yeah, I'm not too sure what it was though, but it was a good one, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm gonna try and think of something to get CJ back on that.
The best way to find out what a person is really like is to ask people who know them what they're like. So I sent a text out to some of the ABs. This one is from your Blues teammate, an All Black teammate, Kevin Mialavu. Oos, he's a good man, loves to dance, and not shy to dance for you. The man always likes to look sharp. And he writes, I can remember him coming to his first All Black training, and you were still wearing bling in your ears.
Yeah.
Hori and Woody had to pull you aside and tell you to leave the bling for after training. Piri Wiku. He goes, ask him if it's true that he split his #1 pants trying to drop it low in the club, and if he pulls his top up to show his 6-pack.
Oh, nah, the second one isn't right, but the first one is.
Oh, so you do show off your 6-pack?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Jealous guys, man. Nah, I didn't even have one too.
Who was the first person you told when they told you that you had made it in?
I called my father. Quite emotional. He was at a party that night, and
he already knew then. He was already celebrating.
Like he was, because we lost to the Highlanders that night, and he was quite pissed off. And yeah, so
he wasn't the only one, bro.
Yeah, so you know, I called him, and he was trying to like he was trying to say like Samoa, like, oh, what do you want? Like, why are you calling? And then I was just like, I've got something to tell you. And he was just like telling me how our team was like not that great that night, and I was like, oh yeah, and I told him, you know, the good side to us, I made the All Blacks, and all I could hear was just
oh,
start crying, and then I just started saying, Dad, because I couldn't hear a response from him, and I could hear my mum run over to, oh, not run over, like she like picked up the phone, and mum just started, you know, cheer-hooing on, and yeah, from then on it was just it was a good feeling just to get off my chest and tell him.